Hi, this is Alex from Zivtech, and I'm going to show you a quick way that you can give Probo a try. It should take no more than 3 or 4 minutes. So what you have to do is first you go to github.com/ and you can see up here Probo demos / Drupal 8. And what I'm going to do here is I am going to make a fork of this. So I click here on make a fork. And I'm going to do it under my own account. And now I am in my forked version of Probo, as you can see up here. Or, sorry, forked version of Bear, as you can see up here. And now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the Probo app. That's at app.probo.ci. I'm going to log in with GitHub. I'm going to click on this Activate Repos button. Then I'm going to click on Sync Repos to make sure that I have the latest list of all the repos I have access to. And you can see over here I have Bitbucket and GitHub, and it's in my GitHub repository. So I go down here, and this is the old one that I had going. I'm going to enable the new one. And you can see success, time to get started with Drupal 8. Okay, so I view the project. And you can see nothing has happened yet here. So I'm going to go back over to my, GitHub repository, and I'm going to make a new pull request by going to pull requests. Oh, I don't even need to go over there. Sorry. New pull request. I'm going to use the one that I'm going to use as my base fork is going to be the fork that I just made. And then I'm going to compare it to the demo site. Okay, so it says everything's ready to go. I just create a pull request. Even Probo is so easy, even a CEO can use it. And I'm going to create my pull request. Now, as soon as that goes, you can see, oh, and if we want to go in and take a look, what changed, just some stuff was added. Doesn't actually have any functional changes on it. But if we go back over to the main page, you can see that Probo has started to run through its different processes. It's going to build the environment. It's going to say hello world, run some tests, and say hello world again. So I'm going to go over here to Probo. And you can see first this hello world thing is run. And just actually, if I go back to the GitHub, you can see, oops, in the actual code here, that these steps were defined in this Probo YAML file. You can see the first step was hello world. The second step was to install Drupal. It's a plugin, a standard profile. It's going to run some Behat tests, and then it's going to say hello again. So if we go back over here to this guy, you see that everything has run. It printed hello world. It installed Drupal. And down here at the bottom, you can see that it's given me a username and password that I can use when I go to look at the site. It ran some Behat tests. So you can see right here, it ran through some different scenarios to make sure that different pieces of functionality are still working. And then it exited with another hello world right here, and then I can go over and view the site. You can see that Probo's given me this build ID here, pull request 1. I can log in, admin, the password I just got, and now I'm in my Probo site.